Okay, guys, Mr. Benora here. I'm going to show you real quickly how to make a lightsaber hilt. I mean, a saber hilt. Lightsaber is a copyrighted term for copyrighted characters. This is a saber hilt. Anyway, um, let's see. First thing I want to do is start with the cylinder. I liked 20 millimeter diameter. It's a good feel and fit in one's hand. So let's actually make it shorter, which is, I know, confusing, but we're going to start with making a shorter disc here. This is 4 millimeters high, and it's 20 by 20 in diameter. The next thing we're going to do is duplicate, and we're going to raise it by holding Control up, and we're going to tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now, instead of this being 20 by 20, we're going to make this 18 by 18. And next thing I want to do is align them so they are centered. Now, if I moved up 3 and my initial was 4, that means that this whole thing should be about 7 millimeters tall. So I'm going to Control D again, duplicate, move that up. Hang on, I should remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole thing's about, like I said, 7 millimeters tall. All right, now I'm going to highlight everything and group it. Now that's one piece. Now I have 12, so now I'm going to highlight my whole piece here, Control D, and we want to move that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up. All right, and in this fashion, we're going to build the handhold. All right, so again, D. Now this should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 up. All right. And I think probably 48 inches of a grip would be good. So we're going to duplicate that one more time. And it seems really silly to do it like this, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And hopefully that is a perfect grip. Now, just in case I moved anything, I want to make sure that I align it. That looks good now. Now I'm going to group my whole handle together here. Now, the next pieces of the lightsaber are really kind of like a choose-your-own adventure here. You can do whatever you want. You really can make a hilt out of whatever you want, too. But I'm going to start with this pyramid piece. And then I'm going to duplicate it with a Control-D. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to flip it. And that gives me that cool little look there, right? And maybe even beyond that, I can find another piece. If I take my work plane, go here, I can do the same thing with a cone, Control D, and then flip that. Now, I don't know if I like both of them on top of each other. I actually think that that piece, the cone piece, looks significantly better than the other one. So we'll do that. Get our work plane back to where it needs to be. And then we want to align. All right. Now, that could technically be a lightsaber hilt. I just want to check my time here. All right, that could be a lightsaber hilt. All right, I got some time. But there's something else I want to show you, which I think is super cool. And some lightsabers have additional like pieces or shapes kind of sticking out of the top. So what I'm going to do is grab a cylinder. And I'm going to just kind of warp it around a little bit. Maybe like that. Maybe we'll make it even a little bit bigger. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to duplicate my cylinder. And move the new one over just a bit. Like that. Now, I'm going to make the new one a hole. And I'll group them together. And that gives me a cool piece. Not sure exactly what that piece is yet. Let's group this. But I like it. So let's lay this down sort of flat. And we can rotate that. We want to rotate that 90. And now check this out. If we highlight, we can align, centered here. All right. Now, that is not quite where we want it, and that doesn't quite look right yet. So let's ungroup, and let's really warp this hole like that, maybe. Group it up again. Now we can align again. All right, this might be a little bit better. Again, this is all your personal preference. I'm just doing a design I think looks cool. You do whatever design you think looks cool. Squish that down. All right. Highlight again. Align in the center. You really want to get something kind of cool. You can duplicate it. You can flip it. All right. And then you can move it over here. Now you have a lightsaber hilt that looks something like that, which I think is pretty cool. All right. And that was just a simple, easy lightsaber build. You can get real fancy. You can put, if you wanted to, here, I'll show you one more thing. Let's put an ignition switch on the side here. So we put that there. Gonna get our box. Put that there. We'll make this 4 by 20. Actually, that doesn't look chunky enough. Maybe 6. 6 by 20. Let's group these things together before we break it. I've actually realized I've made a lightsaber that kind of looks like a lobster, but whatever. You know, to each their own, right? Maybe it's for one of these sea creatures. Push that in a little bit. You're going to have to push that in a lot of it. And there's an ignition switch for you. And in that way, you can build kind of your own cool, unique lightsaber hilt. Have fun with it. And come see me if you have questions. I definitely want to see what you make.